All right, what's up, everybody? This is my 97 Mercedes. It's a w202 chassis. I've done a lot of work to this car already, but I'll go over that in like another video. But today I'm putting this in, which is the steering wheel from NRG, and I got this one, and then I got the quick release and the short hub, which I'll show you in a little bit. And go ahead and take the steering wheel off. There's two nuts, or star nuts, or bolts in the back, which are these two. You take a T25, and I already removed those. So next, this got to come off. Don't worry, I unplugged the battery already. It's been off for a while. I just gotta disconnect the horn and take that off, which is a 10mm hex, and I'm gonna get on it. Okay, so the steering wheel nut is broken. Get yourself one of these. Recommend this shit. Turns into a breaker bar all the way. But now that that's just broken, you just gotta take it off. Make sure your steering wheel is straight, and hopefully the steering wheel will pop right off, because these things are on these cars for a long time, and you'll have to wiggle the steering wheel off and fight it, and hopefully mine just comes off. You know, you want to leave your steering wheel loose. You don't want to do it with your steering wheel is in a lock position, because you'll end up breaking it or breaking your clock mechanism, and you don't want to do that. So this is broken. Hopefully everything comes out. So, and that's why they're so hard to get off. They put Loctite on from the factory. Mercedes gang. So boom, just like that, mine comes off easy. Amazing. A lot of guys don't have that luck. A lot of guys, steering wheels are straight bullshit. So now that that's done, get the short shifter. Which they don't make short shifters. I'm sorry guys. They don't make short hubs for this car, but I had talked to the representative or whoever's in the parts department at NRG, and they said they're gonna check for me, and they checked the spline count and everything, and this is for a W210 for 2009. So hopefully this works. Hopefully I don't got no issues. This goes on, and hopefully it's the same spline count from the W210. So I'll do the work for you guys in case you guys have this car. Now you guys gotta fight to get this through, because this was not made for the car. So let's see, there we go. Got it through. Make sure everything's in the upright. And this has a little dot on there letting you know this goes up like that. So let's see. Don't seem like it wants to go on. Let's see where it's hitting at. Might need a little bit of modifying, but hopefully I don't have to go to that point. That helicopter's loud. Alright, so thread count on this, everything's the same. That's the part number. from NRG, and because they don't make aftermarket parts for this vehicle at all, or at least steering wheel wise. So if you can see closely, the thread count, everything's the same, but there's the little shiny parts on there is where some of the threads are hitting because that part sticks up. So I'm gonna just go get a little Dremel real quick. I'm gonna shave this down and shave this one down through there, and then come back and connect it, and hopefully that'll be it. But needs a little modification, but you know, I can get Momo, you know, but the thing is, you get Momo and Momo sticks out like out here, and then the quick release will make it be over here, and the steering wheel will be right here, and I don't want that. So that's why I want NRG, even though I know it's going to require some modification, but at least NRG keeps it short. Momo does have short ones for other Mercedes, but not for this one, not the W202 chassis. So I'm gonna go get this, shave it down a little bit, see if it works, and then put it on and put everything back together, and hopefully that's that. Be back. Okay, so after a little while, a little bit of work, you can see where I got a Dremel and I shaved it down. It's not pretty, but you know, we're gonna see it. And then right there, I shaved it on the top. Those are the only two spots I was hitting. You know, I wish those came shaved like that from NRG, but it works. I already test fitted the bolt, the wheel nut, and it goes in. So anybody that wants to do this to their W202 chassis, and the more I screw this on, the more it's gonna push it back. So I'm not too worried about it. You know, this is not made for this car, so it's not gonna go all the way back. So, you know, I just need to put this out. I'm gonna put it to the right foot-pounds, and then it's on there. You know, I lined it, it's straight up, and now it's all about putting it all back together. So I'm gonna finish tightening this down, which is with a 10mm hex. And remember, they take the steering wheel off, 2 T25s. You want to turn the steering wheel sideways so you can get the nuts. You want your steering wheel to be like this when you take those nuts off. One's for it there, one's for the bottom. And then when you go to put this on, you want to line everything back up, make it straight. Remember, don't lock the steering wheel because you could break the clock spring that's behind here and all that. So I mean, other than that, then yeah, I mean, all this car is getting is everything done to this car like this. They don't even make shift boots. I had a weld the threading on here, so I can take this off and put it on, and I can do that with any shift boot now. There's a lot of custom work getting done to this car. I could do it in another video, but I have these bucket seats. But yeah, it's getting on there. Cool. So got the short hub on. We got the first part of the quick release on. Everything's on there good. Everything's flush. Everything turns. Now I'm just gonna put this on to the steering wheel, and we're done. A little bit of shaving down, but other than that, it works. So you can do it with that part number. Just get yourself a Dremel, shave down the top and the bottom, go right on, and then let the steering wheel nut do the rest. And there we go. It's on there. Look at that. I'm happy right now. My chonies are wet. Yeah. But here, babe. Look, so basically comes off now. Quick release. And I got the NRG ding ding. So on. Fortunately, my horn don't work. It never worked, so I ain't tripping about it. I'm gonna put an aftermarket on with the button or something right here. But yeah, it all came together. Just a little customization, shave it down, and you got yourself an NRG short hub with the quick release and steering wheel. You know, so like I said, that part number, there's also a part number on the box. Where's that box at there? No, the other box. Oh, it's over there. But yeah, that part number, I'll put it in the description from NRG, but works. 1735, isn't it? I will do a review of my car pretty soon. I'll show you everything I've done to it. I believe I'm the only one with the carbon hood so far. You know, I got that one. I gotta actually clean it up. It's really bad because my car's been sitting in the sun for a while. But yeah, I'll go over everything pretty soon in the next episode. Kind of introduce myself as well as my cars and, you know, what I plan on doing with them. But you know, I've done a lot of work to the car already. I never done YouTube, but I'm gonna get into it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and whatever else YouTube does. Till next time.